Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. Today we're going to be going over a few things that you might have missed out on last week, as well as some of the wonderful deals that are going on right now with MobileSentrix. Let's get into the video. First and foremost, if you haven't already, go ahead and check out the GAPP program. That's a genuine Apple parts program. You will find a link on the website to this page where you can go through and read all about it, along with the frequently asked questions section where you can go and learn everything that you need to know about this program. Last week I went over another video from VCC Board Repairs where he goes over his tips and tricks for reballing a CPU, and I give my feedback as well, so definitely check out that video if you haven't already. On Wednesday, I showed a video on how to replace the battery connector on a Samsung S22 Ultra, which is basically how to replace the battery connector on almost any device. Go ahead and check out that video as well. And probably one of the craziest repairs that I've shown so far is how to replace the flex cable on a Samsung Flip 4. And we're talking about the flex cable that's embedded inside the frame. It's a very tricky repair, but I show that it's something that is totally feasible, and also how to diagnose whether or not it's a magnet issue or an issue with the flex cable that's causing a Samsung Fold or Flip to black out. So check out that video. Thursday was part 1 and Friday was part 2. However, Friday's video, I didn't notice it, but it was cut 3 minutes short due to an export issue on my end. So the full part 2 will be uploaded today as well. So check out that video if you haven't already. In stock, we have OEM pull accessories, the MagSafe 1 wall power adapter with cable, and the MagSafe 2 as well. USB-C power wall adapters, and used OEM pull power wall adapters for the iMacs, as well as the 2-prong duck head adapters, both the US version and European version. And finally, the USB-C to MagSafe 3 cables. These are OEM pull 6 feet cables. There's been a massive price drop in the iPhone 13 Pro Max and 14 Pro Max pre-owned devices. So go ahead and check out those prices and see the great deals for those pre-owned devices. And we're introducing the iFixit Pro Tech Go Toolkit. It's a great toolkit for beginners. And if you're not a beginner, check out the other toolkits that are available on the website, as there are many from iFixit. And last but not least, the game console accessories are back in stock. So if you're someone that works on consoles, having these accessories is something that you can add to upsell on your repairs and sales. So definitely check those out. Well, that wraps up today's video. If there's something that you've seen on the website that you'd like to see a video made of, let me know in the comments below. Or if there's a future video that you'd like to see on a specific repair, let me know as well. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.